How to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download Roblox Studio on iPhone. Now, if you open the App Store and search Roblox Studio, you will only find the option of Roblox. There is no option of Roblox Studio. So to download this, you want to open up any web browser instead. I'm going to open Safari. Now search Roblox Studio. Then find this option, Roblox Creator Hub. Now you want to tap on these three dots, then tap on share. Now find the option of add to home screen and tap on that. Now you can simply name this Roblox Studio, then tap on add. Once that is done, as you can see, Roblox Studio has been successfully added. You can simply tap on that to access it, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.